So typically FDA conducts the cornerstone of their inspectional program is current good manufacturing practices or quality system inspections. This is the broad breadth of inspections that FDA typically conducts, many thousand throughout the year, both the United States as well as throughout the world. The purpose of these inspections are to ensure conformance with the quality systems or the CGMPs that are outlined in the Code of Federal Regulations, Title 21. Keep in mind that an FDA inspection is a snapshot in time only based upon what the investigator was able to observe during the time at your firm. For the 3, 5 days, 2 weeks, that's all they can report on. At the end of the day, you are responsible for and are expected to be in full compliance with all the applicable portions of the quality system or CGMP regulations. Cannot go back and say, well, I passed FDA's inspection last time, so therefore I'm golden. You're only golden for what they observed. And at the end of the day, even your 483s, if you're left with a list of observations, indicates that these are just the observations made during the term of this inspection, and you have this obligation to make sure you are in full compliance with all requirements. FDA also conducts pre-approval inspections to support NDAs, PMAs, licensing agreements, bioresearch monitoring inspections that also may be tied to those approvals. And obviously, they also conduct what are known as for-cause inspections. For-cause inspections are to follow up on an increase or significant adverse event or an MDR report that may perhaps be catastrophic. They see escalating number of reports. They see different things, different issues that may be percolating that may be making them concerned. A certain increase in recalls or class 1 recalls would prompt a for-cause inspection. Customer and trade complaints, again, depending upon the significance of those complaints, can they have an impact on public health? Some are handled by letter, some are handled by, again, for-cause inspections. Whistleblower reports, which unfortunately are growing in scope, where they have an obligation to follow up on those type of things. Perhaps there's a second set of books. Perhaps there are other things that are going on at a firm that becomes a concern of the agency, and they want to check it out to see if it's in fact true or not. And similarly, bioresearch monitoring inspections, that are undertaken to support clinical studies to assure that you are following protocols. These are conducted at the investigator sites as well as the sponsors. Make sure documents are being maintained contemporaneously, that there's no diversion of product, et cetera.